Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing my last look with this palette. I'm going to try and do a more summery look with it. We'll see if that actually happens. But yeah, let's get started. So today I'm going to start with the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk. And I'm doing that because a lot of these colors are very muted and I kind of just want to perk them up with a white base. Okay, so I might have gone a little heavy-handed with that, but we shall see. So, to start off, I'm going to be taking the shade Bold, which is this nice kind of light brownish shade. Now I'm going to go into the shade Chick, and I'm just going to put that into my crease with a little bit of a more detailed-ish brush. And then I think with the same brush, I'm going to take the shade No Filter, which is a purpley shade. It's a little bit more brighter than the rest of the purples. Okay, I'm going to start with Innocent on the lid, which is just like this matte kind of peachy mauve pink. I'm just going to lightly dust that on the lid. And then I'm going to take the shade Ethereal, which is this more bronzy gold, and put that on the lid more towards the center. And then take a clean finger and just kind of blend out the edges. And now I'm going to take the shade Vintage and use that underneath my brow bone. And then while I'm at it, I'm going to take the shade Glam and use that in the inner corner. Okay, I'm gonna go finish up the rest of my face off camera and I'll be back to walk you through it in a second. Okay guys, so this is the finished look all put together. So for foundation, I use the EX1 Invisible Wear Foundation. I'm testing this out. I have it in the shade 4. My brows are the NYX Tame and Frame in black, and it's their pomade. My highlight is the sample of the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in Moonstone. This is my favorite liquid highlighter ever. And then I did use a little bit of the NYX Worth the Hype mascara on the lower and upper lashes before putting on fake lashes. They're kind of on, kind of not on. I apologize. Then I went into blush, which I kind of went a little crazy with. I know, it's the NYX Ombre Blush in the shade Code Breaker, and I kind of focused it more in this bottom kind of brighter area that's really a bright purple pink. And then for lips, I kind of lined my lips with the NYX lip liner in nude pink. Then I went into a NYX matte lipstick in the shade Whipped Caviar, and then I kind of topped it off with a sample-ish size of Marc Jacobs lip gloss in Enamored. I just kind of dab that all over the lips, just kind of give it a more like glossier look. Anyway, I really like the way the eyes turned out. I did have to touch them up after trying to do lashes, but I think it's just a very like more natural. I mean, it's still makeup, like it's very obvious makeup that I'm wearing, but I like that it's a little bit more wearable everyday kind of makeup. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and comment down below. I will leave the playlist of all my other palette of the week videos linked around my head somewhere. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.